Hello, good morning students. Children, the solution for global warming is we have to be little careful in using our resources. We should use electricity carefully. We should see that more and more fossil fuels are not burnt out, which gives out smoke. We can use our vehicles in a rationalized way, like if we are going to a place, same place together and use one vehicle, that will help in reducing the use of fuel as well as the vehicles emitting out the smoke. We should be very vigilant that the industries or the factories are maintaining the protocol of pollution control. Okay, means pollution will be there. The factories and the industries, while producing different goods, they will of course lead to some amount of pollution, but they should take care that there is enough provision for reducing this pollution. Children, if we try to bring the global warming to our control, we should plant more and more trees. Cutting down of trees will enhance the problem more. So we should plant more and more trees. We should use our resources carefully. We should not, burn our fuel without, when we are in need of, then only you use your vehicles. Otherwise, if there is a other alternative use, like you use solar cooker or you can use your electrical or windmills to produce electricity. All these are alternative ways of reducing pollution. Children, efforts need to be made to reduce the warming up process. We have to do it, and most of the countries are now in a process. They have regular meeting how to bring down this global warming. Each country, especially the ones which release more greenhouse gases, should reduce them. And you will be surprised to know that the countries like China, the USA, India, Russia are among the leading countries which are giving out this greenhouse gases more in number. Okay, the China is leading from front. So these countries should think over how to reduce and keep these greenhouse gases in control in a limit. It should not exceed the limit. Many countries have signed agreements aimed at reducing greenhouse gases. Many such agreements, many such meetings are conducted by different countries of the world. And one such greenhouse agreement to control global warming is the Kyoto Protocol. Kyoto is in Japan, and it was signed in the year 1997. And many others are also there. So we should take care that we keep our earth a safe place. We maintain the heat of the earth in a limit, and don't allow our earth to become warmer day by day, because if we allow, what will happen? Enhanced greenhouse effect gives more heat on the earth. If your greenhouse gases are increasing, exceeding the limit, then your the heat of the earth, the air around the earth's surface will be heated. Okay, this creates rising land and ocean surface temperature, as called global warming. The temperature will rise, the temperature of the ocean, the water bodies or the land surface will rise, and this is called global warming. Global warming causes strong hurricanes and cyclones. There will be disturbance in the ocean air currents, in desertification. There will be more desert area because there will be less of rain, and it will create drought, will turn into desert. Decrease in snow cover, ice cap, that we discussed, that snow caps or the ice caps will be melting, and there will be less of snow. Rising sea level, naturally there will be frequent floods, rising sea level. So you can see people are living near, and there will be flood, there will be less of trees, we will be cutting trees. Each day new greenhouse gas emission further accelerate. This will accelerate change, means it will increase, and lesser greenhouse gases lead to cooler and safer earth. If we have lesser greenhouse gases, then it will lead to our earth remaining cool. Of course we need the warmth, we need the warmth of the sun, but it should not rise below or above the limit. Sorry, above the limit it should not rise. So we should be all concerned and take care that our earth is a safe and healthy place to live in. Thank you.